welcome back to my channel. We got back from Cancun 2 days ago. I have a dinner tonight for my birthday, so I have to get ready, do my makeup and everything. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I go from this to this, then just keep watching.
I am comfortable in my skin. drink freely, and holla at me if you need me. Baby, you should enjoy yourself. Boy, stop need no help. Look, they say fly girls have more fun. So what? So you should enjoy yourself. Yeah, you should enjoy yourself. It's a room full of trap niggas, strap niggas. If the ops run up in the shit, we gon' clap niggas. Room niggas, some slack niggas. Pockets felt like a fat nigga. Shopping up in St. Fist with a couple actors to get Christian Dior. Look, I be all up in the stores. Young nigga, I can buy you what you want.
Sorry guys, I had to put my pumps in. And something else, during my birthday trip, I pumped the entire time, so I'm very proud of myself. A lot of the milk, I honestly can't give him to drink because, you know, I was drinking. So I'm gonna take that milk and put it in his bath. This is editing me. I forgot to include these clips in the last vlog you guys just saw, my Cancun vlog for my birthday. So I decided to insert them in this video, so here they go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in Cancun. We got here yesterday, but we partied too hard pretty much, so I really didn't record anything. All we did was when we got here, we went out to eat, and then what did we do? Yeah, went out to eat and then party.
Party zone.
Yeah, so I got some footage. Oh, I forgot to record when we were there. I didn't really record, but
I got you. We're doing Puerto Morales.
Puerto Morales, yeah. Then we're gonna probably get some food and go to the pool. So yeah, bye guys. Hey guys, we just got to the room. We're about to go to eat. I'm excited. Right there, I think, was in that folder. I have been terrible at vlogging so far, but I'm gonna get it together. So we're about to head to get something to eat, and then I think we're gonna go to the pool and maybe do jet skis. I'm not sure, but let's go. Guys, I've been having so much fun. I almost got lost. Okay. So ready to get in some water, you guys. I haven't been in water in forever, since I was can't even see. Okay. Okay guys, we are back from the pool. I think I got some footage. About to take a shower. And then I think we're going to the room tonight. And then we should be going out after that. But yeah, I've had so much fun. I don't know if you guys can see. Having a good tan. Yeah. Somebody at the door. This is my bikini that I wear. And I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by here today. Here's another video you guys can watch. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment down below of any videos you guys would like to see in the future. So I will talk to you guys later.